welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing chile rellenos. The last video we did the ranchero beans, so today is something extra, especially because I told my coworkers I was going to take some. But here goes nothing. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe and share and like. Here are the bell peppers. First, what you have to do is wash them before putting them in there. And of course, the oil, salt, flour, cheese, and eggs. There we go. Almost done. These two aren't giving me issues right now. Make sure you have a bag. We're gonna go ahead and put the bag. We're gonna put the chiles in here. And they're gonna sit there for at least 15 minutes.
What? 15 minutes?
15 minutes. So for the meanwhile, we're gonna be cutting our cheese. And some people, they do their bell peppers, they stuff them with meat, with potatoes, with beans. I was really surprised people do it with beans. And me, I grew up just with cheese. That's it. Everything cheese. So that's why I like doing these. I mean, I don't like eating them because I got stuff with them when I was growing up. But just keep on. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and peel them. It's been more than 15 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and take everything that it has inside. It just depends on the purpose of who's doing them. A lot of people leave the stuff inside, but I don't. The reason is because my grandma used to tell me when she was eating one, she saw a worm inside of one, so don't want that to happen. I don't know if it's true or not, it's just a story. And always, if you stuff them too much, of course they're gonna fall out, but just be careful. And then I like to do little incisions on them, but the cheese could hold up better. Pray one open. Just make sure they don't eat it. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some flour around them for the egg could get stuck to them more and it could stay. Yes?
Very good.
Mine look like a tomato.